Okay, y'all, let's see how this live stream works. I do not have my AirPods, so not sure if you all gonna be able to hear me. Let me try to adjust this a little bit higher. But I was getting ready to leave and it started raining, so I said, let me just live stream. Let me see, can I adjust this without it falling? Y'all, let me know if you can hear me. Someone come in and do a sound check. This not gonna be a long live stream. Do a sound check for me. Let me know if you can hear me. I don't have my AirPods, so. How you doing, Dr. Forms? Checking in. Can you hear me? Okay. I don't have my AirPods, so. And it is cold. It is raining hard where I'm at. I wish I could show you all the rain. So I decided, I said, well, let me live stream. Can you all hear me? How is the sound? I'm waiting on somebody to tell me if you can hear me or not. Okay, sound is good. So let's get into this real quick. Let me stoop down, so rain in there also. Okay. So if you Google this information, you'll find out that Russia. Let me adjust this phone. I just hold it. Okay. Sway Money, gotta love that name. Sway Money. I won't even say that. It reminded me of Kanye West interview. He said, "How Sway?" Between him and Sway, Sway Money. But Russia just passed. They're pushing real fast for regulations on cryptocurrency, and they are purchasing more Bitcoin in particular. Doing these sanctions. So sanctions are unlike war, where we where economic things are taken away, which really is already being in play. China and Russia is being away from the U.S. dollar, right? And so, the United States saying they're going to enter into sanctions against Russia. China and Russia just made a $100 million coal deal, um, pretty much operating independently and on its own, which means the U.S. dollar system is going to crash and collapse. As predicted, as we've been saying, that was the whole agenda. So the United States can lose its world reserve status, that the switch can now be made into cryptocurrency and in CBDCs, which is different, you all. Cryptocurrencies and CBDCs is different, um, which means CBDCs, central banks, digital currency, are controlled by central banks, and they will have their own currency. On CBDCs is going to be more tracking on technology called the blockchain. It's going to be more um, the small business owners going to really look in on your taxation. So a great opportunity to get more taxes out of you. And as the U.S. dollar loses its world reserve status or currency, just know that we're going to see a lot of massive market crash. And by even it's going to be very volatile for cryptocurrency as well, right? Even though I did invest in some more cryptos for today. Again, I'm not giving financial advice. Trying to fix my hair. I'm not a financial advisor, right? But I invest in some more ADA today and some more Matic, and those are different reasons because of those investments. And so, as you see, Russia, United States is definitely, and China are definitely allies. They are definitely making financial moves without the U.S. dollar involved. And now you have it where much of the United States already depends on the production of China, right? We don't have um, much production is going on where we are exporting out any goods or services to any of these countries. The United States is more dependent, especially on China, from toys to your big manufacturers like Walmart, Costco, all of that made in China. And, they got this Canadian thing going on, which I don't even think is that real. I think it looks, staged, to be honest with you, at least from the perspective of the people that they're interviewing about what's going on. And just to bring up a scenario that we're shifting to a new economic system, right? And with that being said, people, $100 million deal made between Russia and China to further its dependence from the United States dollar. They've been away from the dollar. They're no longer trading for their oil in dollars. Um, Again, United States, it is going to get ugly. When I tell people this is not the time to be cheap or not have a mindset to invest in yourself and not have a mindset to invest in getting more crypto, getting more cash flow, and adding more credit to your portfolio. Even if you're investing in tangible assets like real estate, if you find some good land deals, right now real estate is overpriced. Um, you got gold at an all-time high, and the investors know you always buy low, right? You always get in low. And so, as these sanctions are going on, it means it's no war, but the United States is quote unquote pulling back economically on some of its support. That's already been happening, right? So, I'm going to finish eating. Just wanted to give you all a quick update. And I'm waiting for this rain to die down so I can leave this restaurant, right? But just want to give you all this quick update. Not going to be a very long video. Russia is buying more Bitcoin. China, Russia is getting together for more natural resources, oil and coal. That's where the money is. And the United States is going to get poorer and poorer for some people. This is going to be very ugly for the poor working class who's not aware of what the shift that's happening, and a lot of the upper middle class as well. People, the Great Depression 2.0 is definitely coming. Yahoo Finance $7 gas prices predicted to take in effect in June or July. This is not going to be like anything you've seen before. This is definitely going to go down in the history books as you read about the 1930s Great Depression. I'm just encouraging people to prepare and plan and position themselves properly because it's happening. Queen out.